Nobody intends to become a drug addict. No one just wake up one fine morning and be an addict. And if it is prevailing amongst females, then it is more alarming, isn't it?
हमें लगा it is cool with friends. हम मज़े से स्मोक करते थे. धीरे धीरे कैसे वो स्मोक, ड्रिंकिंग, ड्रग्स इन सब में बदल गया, हमें खुद को नहीं पता चला.
Majority of the people who come to us would be from the youth section only, especially those people who are using drugs like where heroin or smack or various other kind of cough syrups or capsules or injections. These are young people. That does not mean that all young people are addicts. That's a very wrong thing to say, of course. But addiction is a disease or a disorder.
We have restrictions on the girls, and even the girls cannot express themselves in front of the families that they are taking some substance. If ever they express themselves, so they have to face so many problems from their society as well as their families.
Fashion leads to curiosity for drugs in girls.
So for being cool, to say, or to fit in the society, I started smoking.
Fashion turns into passion, and addiction leads to depression.
उसके बाद हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इन सारी चीज़ों में पड़ गए और फिर उस सोसाइटी में फिट होने के लिए दोबारा से हम स्मोक ड्रिंकिंग सब कुछ करने लगे.
और फिर एक टाइम आया था कि हमें ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि अब हमें ये सब चीज़ें छोड़नी है. हमारी बॉडी उस चीज़ को डिमांड करती थी कि हमें स्मोक चाहिए, हमें ड्रग्स चाहिए.
Drug addiction is not a trap in which any girl walks in willingly.
हम पेडलर्स के पास गए. जो देने वाला बंदा है वो ये नहीं देखता कि लड़का है लड़की है, उसको सिर्फ पैसा चाहिए.
Drugs is a solution to cope with the problems. Is it true?
Many of these substance or drug abuse problems is associated with other psychiatric disorders as well. There are lots of other psychiatric disorders, manic illness, depression, this and that, okay, psychotic illnesses. So there can be associated aggression or very extreme kind of behavior.
The temptation is just too strong that one does not differentiate between right and wrong.
No doubt, in our society, the ratio is 1:1. But the difference which comes out is because the type of the substance they are using. Rather, the boys are using something different, girls are using something different. So, if we talk about the boys, they are more prone towards the opioid, alcohol, benzodiazepine, IV abuser and solvents. And rather, when I talk about the females, in the females, the more they are dependent upon benzodiazepine and IV abusers with the alcohol dependence, which is more prevalent in the high society, in the metro cities, right? And less towards the opioid.
Drugs is thrilling. Addiction is killing.
Because drug abuse separates a person,
Right.
It shuns a person.
Right.
So to get back to the society in a meaningful way is real recovery. That can take a long, long time.
Like another page changes on the calendar, addiction also has a change. Broken hearts can be healed by time, love, faith and acceptance.
Now we are finally happy. हम लोग सब ड्रग्स, स्मोकिंग, ड्रिंकिंग इन सब चीज़ों से बाहर आ चुके हैं. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी इन आवर लाइफ. हमारे पेरेंट्स इतने अंडरस्टैंडिंग थे, उन्होंने हमें समझा और उन्होंने हमें ड्रग रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर में जाकर बात की हमारे लिए.
The rehab centers, separate rehab centers for the girls are very less as compared to the common centers. So it's important that we should take a joint venture and effort to improve the condition and status in our society.
Every girl can be brought back if she has a will.
Real recovery is not only drug-free status, it means living independently in the community and productively in the community, being a part of like others.
Just a message for all the girls कि जो भी आगे अगर तुम लोग कहीं पे भी ड्रग एडिक्टेड हो या कुछ भी हो यार, प्लीज़ स्टेप उठाओ, अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करो, अपने फ्रेंड से बात करो. आई एम श्योर वो तुम्हारी बात को समझेंगे. Just come out of this shit, seriously, just come out of all this stuff.